In this lecture, we are going to talk about the any type in TypeScript. The any type is the most flexible type you can assign to a variable in TypeScript. This type does not complain about any value. This basically means that you can store any type of value in this type in any type. Let's see that in action. Let's go to VS Code and here let's create a variable. Let's simply call it maybe dynamic data. You can name it anything. And here let's specify the type as any. And when we are specifying the type of this dynamic data as any, in this dynamic data, we can store any type of value. We can store a number like this. As you can see, we are not getting any error. We can store a Boolean value. Still, we are not getting any error. We can store a string value. Let's say hello. You see, TypeScript is not complaining about anything. We can even store an array here inside this variable now. For example, an array of string like this. Still, it is not complaining. And if we want, we can also store an object inside it. Okay, so when we specify the variable as any type, in that variable we can store a value of any data type, and TypeScript is not going to complain about it. Here, let me go ahead and let me assign this numeric value here. Okay, then we can also create an array of any type. So for example, let's create a variable, let's call it maybe ARR, and what we want is this ARR, it should be an array, and in that array we should be able to store a value of any type. So for that we can specify its type as any, and since we want to store an array inside this ARR, we also need to use this square brackets. So here we are creating an array, and in that array we can store a value of any type. So for example, we can assign an array here, this ARR. There I can have a string value. If I want, I can also have a number value. I can have a Boolean value. I can have null. I can have undefined. As you can see, here I'm able to store any type of value inside this array. And this is what this any type means. It simply means that any variable whose type is any, there you can store a value of any data type. Now, this any type might sound great to use, but you should always avoid using any type unless it is absolutely necessary or when you don't know what type of data might be stored in that variable. The reason why we should avoid using any is because it takes away all the advantages which TypeScript provides. So if we use any data type, it is almost similar to writing a JavaScript code. Then in that case, we don't need TypeScript. Why we want to use TypeScript in first place is because TypeScript is strongly typed. So it allows us to avoid any bugs or any issues which we can introduce while writing the JavaScript code. Because in JavaScript, it is dynamically typed. We cannot specify a data type for a variable or a function parameter or something like that. And that's why we want to use TypeScript, because here TypeScript is strongly typed and we can explicitly specify the data type of a variable, a parameter, a property or anything. And it allows us to avoid any bug which might occur in case of dynamically typed language like JavaScript. Okay, so always try to avoid using this any type unless it is absolutely necessary, because it takes away all the advantages which TypeScript language provides us. All right, now before moving on, I also want to show you what happens when we create a variable but we don't specify any data type for it, and also when we don't assign a value to it. For example, let me create a variable here. Let's simply call it as maybe test. All right, now here I have created a variable called test. Now what do you think will be the data type of this test variable? Let's actually check that. So if I hover over this test, you won't see any data type displayed for this test, right? Now what we will do is we will use console.log statement and we will log the type of test. So this type of operator, using this type of operator, you can get the type of a variable. And what I also want to log here is we have not assigned any value to this test variable. So if I try to log this test variable, what value it will log? Let's check that as well. Let's save the changes here. Let's compile this code. And you see, when we don't specify a data type for this test explicitly, or when we don't initialize this test with any value, by default, its type will be undefined. So this undefined here, it is also a type. Okay. And also, since we have not assigned any value to it, its value will be also undefined. So this undefined is the value. So any variable which we create for which we have not specified the data type explicitly and to which we have not assigned any value, we have not initialized it with any value, its data type will be by default undefined, as you can see here, and the value stored in that variable will be also undefined, as you can see here. So this undefined, it is the data type, and this undefined, it is the value stored in this test variable. All right, so in this lecture, we talked about this any data type, and we also learned what happens when we don't specify the data type of a variable explicitly and what is the default value stored in a variable if it is not initialized. This is all from this lecture. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask it. Thank you for listening and have a great day.